everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am OONNN here back with another video for you. You guys, JISOOOO has came out with another music video. I mean, not another one. I don't remember. I think the last one was Flower, right? Or Where Have I Been? If she posted more videos before this that was not Flower, where have I been? I have not been here, obviously. I don't know why. For today's video, we're gonna react to Earthquake, her new music video. And I hope this video does not get blocked because every time I react to a Jennie video, it gets blocked. So yeah, the last video of Jennie and Doja Cat, I try to react to that. I say, you know what, there's no point. You know, it's gonna get blocked anyway. Even the other video either got blocked on it got copyrighted or blocked on TikTok, like they removed the sound or something like that. I forgot. But let's hope that this video don't get at least blocked. Like you can copyright me all you want, just don't block the video, JISOOOO. Please. First and foremost, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment down below what video you guys want me to do next. I do for you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in because I'm ready to see what JISOOOO is giving. Because JISOOOO is like, I don't know, like we've been seeing a lot of the other three. We've been seeing a lot of the other three girls. It's time for us to see what the heck JISOOOO got going on. So let's go. Oh! All right, let's go. See what JISOOOO is giving. Ooh, look at her. Okay. What kind of galacto case is that? Hey, beautiful, how you? Ooh. Who was that? What the heck? This is giving cinema too, just like the other video I react to. He looks familiar.
그 남자에 대한 당신의 진짜 마음은 뭡니까?
I like her. Ooh! JISOOOO, what's you that in love, girl? You that in love? That the tension that you feel for this person, it just made the whole wall break. It made the whole mirror break. As you explaining why you like this person. The man said, "Whoa!" Like the man, he ain't see it coming. Out of nowhere, breaking windows and stuff or mirrors. What the heck? Look at the way she's, oh my gosh. Was that a car? Oh, okay. Can you trust them? Oh my God, what in the world? What if you're wrong? Ooh! She just ignoring all the signs. What if you get hurt? Wait! JISOOOO! I ain't gonna lie, it's nice to see JISOOOO doing this on, like, without like any other like group member. It's so much. Can you barely hear from her for real? Everybody else is just out there. You barely hear anything from JISOOOO, and she is killing this song. She's killing this song, this music video, the freaking visuals, everything. What, sweetie? What's wrong? Oh my gosh, JISOOOO, what? See, sometimes you can't listen to what people say. You gotta see the signs first. But all them signals right there. What if? Nah, that's her mind saying, what if? Ignore that and find out for yourself. What if you're wrong? Ooh. This is what people go through almost every day. What if you get hurt? Sometimes it takes you to just find out for yourself. She is killing it. Come on, JISOOO. Looking beautiful. Wow. What's going on? Don't look at me. What is going on with this video? Oh my gosh. They spent some money for this video. This is a music video. Like, this is giving music video. Like cinema music video. Come on, JISOOO! Wait. Hold on, JISOOO. The way the beat just dropped like that. She is killing it. Oh, one touch, baby, I fold. Oh my gosh. If that ain't true, what's that? Who hot? Hear him. She is so beautiful. Come on, JISOOO. She looks so beautiful. Look at the hair, the wind. Hey, it's like giving classy. A little bit of Chung Ha, a little bit of who was the other person? It's another like older soloist that was like a group. This was this giving. Mature. You know, it's giving mature. I love it. I love this. Come on, Christian. You did your thing, Christian. She definitely, wow. Earthquake. Wow, JISOOO, let's go. She has a mini album. What? Okay, it's her time. It's her time now. It's her time now. Whoa. What? Okay, JISOOO. That's definitely a little bop. I can see myself like listening to on a regular. That's definitely a bop I see myself listening to because I was not expecting like that drop. I like that part. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite part. Well, if you guys want to see more, ooh. Hold on. That's hilarious. Okay. If you guys want to see more reactions, music video reactions, let me know in the comments what other artists I should react to next. Yeah. Okay, JISOOO. I'm ready to see more from JISOOO. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below what video you guys want me to do next. Glad to do for you guys. Yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.